All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I'm going to change the look of my brand new OnePlus 8T 5G. We're going to go ahead and slap this skin on here from SopiGuard. I appreciate SopiGuard hooking this up. They always take care of Jay. Not just that, but I like their skins. So in regular fashion, you get the skin. And there's going to be a wipe in here and a card because David and those guys over there are awesome. So we'll use this to clean off the device. And then we'll get this thing set up here. So this is the brand new or the latest from OnePlus outside of the Nord. This is the 8T 5G. And while this color is really eclectic and really nice, I just prefer to have grip. So let's dress it up. So be sure to use that alcohol wipe because it really makes the skin adhere. It gets it nice and dry when you're doing it. So I'll start with the camera lens like I always do. Try to get a little piece of this off of here. Doing this behind the camera is kind of tough, but we make it work because we love tech. All right, so let's see if I can stay within view of the camera here and get this on here as first piece. That's a good one. All right, got that on. Now let's give the device another little wipe down. You always want to use a blow dryer or heat gun after you apply these so the sides can seal up. Now, with this case, I won't be phone, I won't be using a case. I'm gonna just use this skin. Let me stand up here and get a good position here so I can do this. Because again, doing this behind the camera is super tough. Silence, folks, silence. I can tell that's a little off. It was down good on the OnePlus logo, but the body of it was a little off. Do you guys skin your devices? I like to skin my device because I don't like to wear cases around the house. And I just prefer the grip of a nice skin. Wow, I'm getting that on there so good. All right, there we go. Hopefully I got the back side good. I think it might be a little crooked. We'll fix it though. Because you want to have enough on each side when you put it down. Skins aren't perfect when you put them on, but overall you want to have at least enough to cover both sides on the edges when you're putting it down. The way to check it. All right, boom, there we go. So now I'm gonna lift a little bit right here, and then I'll put those down. Ooh, this is nice, man. I did this to my Pixel 5 as well. I put this black skin on here. You see what I'm doing? I'm just pushing the bubbles away to the most open area. It's kind of gratifying. I know it is. I know you guys like that. Something about popping bubbles is gratifying. All right, let me get my seat. All right, that's beautiful. I mean, the color combinations is how it's done, son. This is just a beautiful thing. I really like this. Now I'm enjoying. Okay, some people was like, man, I didn't know you think you do that to your Pixel, but let me show you the Pixel. The Pixel is kind of a different green too. This is sage, obviously, but these black colors offset very well, very well. And obviously, you know, I have it on my 4A and several other devices. My Z Fold. Let's see here. Honeycomb everything, son. Honeycomb everything. So if you're a person that doesn't like to use cases, I highly recommend a skin bars. And I'm going to heat this up after this video. But some phones, they just naturally adhere with the curves and everything, and this just fantastic, man. I just really like the way this looks, and you don't have to wear a case if you don't want to. That's the best part. That's the greatest part, actually. Not having to wear a case is just beast mode. That is one beautiful, beautiful looking combination, folks. The little highlights around the camera, the little hint of green right there, that's dope. Oh, that's dope. That is crazy, son. Shout out to the East Coast all day long. You know, and this is kind of like my Eagles is doing just like garbage right now, but can't abandon your team. My man Foles, they jacked him away from. I'm not going to get into that. Nonetheless, represent a little bit right here with these phones, with these black and green joints. This is SopiGuard. Hit SopiGuard.com in order to get yours. I think you're going to love the way this comes out, especially if you have this green one. Again, the green is nice and everything, but I just wasn't sure. But I'm glad I did. Now I'm going to heat this up so I can corners can stay down, and I'm good. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for joining.